guys, today I'm gonna show my house tour. Sorry if I'm jumping, but it is so late at night. You can see. And we're watching 101 The Mission.
Bloody well better be careful.
Look at
That's
that.
right. Always better be careful.
Look. Let's show our tour. This Ninang, who is Facebooking. And next, it is so dark. But there is my mom in the labas, but I don't want to go there because I'm fear. And now let's show Amma's room. Amma's room is a little bit dark, but you can see that. There you go. And then this is Ninang's room. And I just closed the windows, of course. And ignore that. Please ignore that. Ignore that, okay? I just can't ignore that. Okay, so today, yeah, that's right. I think that's the end of it. I'm just joking. The kitchen. Blah. Blah. There's Nina standing up. There's Nina. 100 animations. And yeah, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, goodbye guys, make sure that is my house tour for today. So I hope you guys that house tour. I'm just taking off my chanelas, yeah. And hope you guys enjoyed it. And see you guys next time. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.